As the year comes to a close, this weekend is shaping up to be the last one in 2023, where the Rose Realty team will host open houses. It's been a joy meeting so many of you and working with our team to connect buyers with these wonderful homes of clients have trusted us with. We'll see all y'all in 2024, but first, don't miss this weekend's open houses. Welcome to 8120 Sanderling Drive. Prepare to be swept off your feet by stunning sunsets from your custom pergola-covered patio. This space overlooks a lush, fenced backyard and serene greenery, making it a standout feature of this sought-after highland. Inside, the home features 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a formal office space, offering multiple spaces for relaxation, work, and storage. The kitchen is a chef's dream, boasting gourmet-style amenities, seating for 4 at the counter, and an adjoining dining room for more formal occasions. Let's head on over to 8909 Crestview Drive. Step right in and be greeted by brand new flooring throughout the living room, dining room, kitchen, and halls. This Lariat model is nestled among mature landscaping, adding a touch of tranquility to its inviting backyard along a walking path. This home boasts 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, a den facing the front yard, a dining room that is separate and visible to the kitchen, and a welcoming eat-in kitchen. The backyard, a haven of relaxation and privacy, sitting along a walking path, offering a nice buffer from the neighbors. It's truly a gem waiting to be discovered. Have you had a chance to see 12,505 Limestone Court? Nestled in the charming villa neighborhood, this delightful maintenance-free home is just waiting for you. The home shines with a light and bright open-concept great room, perfect for hosting your gatherings, and a cozy den that's ideal for doubling up as a home office. The primary bedroom is a true retreat, boasting a generous walk-in closet outfitted with custom cabinetry. This villa features 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a 2-car garage, offering both convenience and style. Now over at 12,313 Pepperidge Avenue. Here you'll find the stunning fresco model, beautifully adorned with quartz countertops and elegant crown molding. The cozy fireplace and stylish barn doors in the den add to its charm and character. This home is everything you've been searching for and more. Designed with your comfort and style in mind, this home features 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a 2-car garage, and a formal dining room. Don't let this weekend's parade of homes pass you by. All 4 stunning homes will be open for viewing this Saturday from 1 to 3 p.m. As a special thank you for joining us the weekend, we're excited to offer a gift certificate to the Wild Horse Grill for each family that stops by. Plus, you'll have the chance to win a delightful dinner for 2 at the Wild Horse Grill. It's our way of sharing a little holiday cheer with you from the Rose Realty team. Stay safe and enjoy a fabulous Texas-sized holiday season with family and friends.